In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore QuickBooks Backup. If you've ever needed it to roll your QuickBooks Online company file back to a previous point in time, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it with Backup and Restore. Before we begin, a quick note. Restoring replaces your current data with an earlier snapshot, so make sure you're comfortable returning your books to that date and time. You'll typically need admin access for this feature. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings gear icon. This opens the main menu where key tools live. From here, choose Backup Company. That takes you into the Backup and Restore dashboard, where all your saved snapshots are managed and ready when something goes wrong, or you simply need to undo a set of changes. Inside the dashboard, look for the Restore option and click it. You're moving from managing backups to preparing a recovery. On the Restore page, click Create Restore. Think of this as starting a new restore job. You're about to tell QuickBooks exactly which moment to return to. Now it's time to pick the version you want. First, select the date. You'll see a calendar with available snapshots. Choose the day that reflects the state you want your books to return to. Next, select the time. Backups often run multiple times per day, so choosing the time lets you pinpoint the exact snapshot. Helpful if you're undoing just a few hours of work. Once you've set the date and time, click Next to continue. You'll now see options tied to that specific snapshot. Open the To Take Actions menu. This is where QuickBooks gives you controls for that backup, and for our purposes, you'll proceed with the restore. Click Restore. QuickBooks may display a confirmation warning to make sure you understand you're replacing your current data with the selected version. Read it carefully, then proceed when you're ready. The restore will begin and may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your company file. During this time, avoid making changes to your books. Once the process completes, your company will reflect the exact state of the selected date and time. That means any transactions, lists, or settings changed after that snapshot will be rolled back. A final tip: choose your snapshot thoughtfully. If you only need to undo a recent import or a specific batch of edits, selecting a backup from just before those changes helps you get precise results with minimal rework. And that's it. You've restored your QuickBooks Backup confidently and correctly.